You will love the features of this 2022 Toyota RAV4. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this compact and rugged Toyota RAV4, the distinctive crossover that maximizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. You'll love its driver assistance tech, refined cabin, and infotainment system. With its suspension tuned for agility, this SUV adds confidence and fun to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: MOONROOF, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.